Hi guys, this is Nadia from Mbali Craft and welcome to our June 21 challenge. So for this month's challenge we're going to be focusing on our natural world. To be more precise, it's going to be flowers and flowering trees. So anything that you like to create that's got a floral theme to it, that's absolutely fine. For instance, I am a carnivorous plant collector, specifically in pitcher plants, and then one month I created a tiny little pitcher using some silver clay, which I absolutely love doing. So what I mean by this is you don't have to stick to the norms and create normal flowers. It can be something really unusual. The more unusual the better, actually. It's more exciting. So anything goes as long as it sticks with the brief. That's absolutely fine. So it can be bracelets, it can be artwork, it can be anything that you want to create as long as the theme. So for those of you that are following this from my YouTube channel or on my Instagram, I will pop a link below so that you can find the Facebook group. You need to join the group to be able to enter the challenge. So yeah, click on the link, read the rules, and pop your picture and your entry into the entry folder, and as they say, Bob's your uncle. So restrictions, not many, so there aren't any rules really in terms of color, size or type of art. Anything goes. You can create anything you like, as long as it is wire or metals, and then obviously you can use any gemstone that you like, and create any piece of artwork that you want. So absolutely no restrictions there, so keep the limitations quite low so that everybody can participate. Now the deadline obviously is the 30th of June 2021. I will create an album which will be called June 21 Challenge Floral Art. So if you create your picture, just pop that in there. Now the requirements for that is please just one piece of art per person, and then also just one picture. So if you want to create different, or you want to take different photos of your piece of art, that's fine. You can just put all of that onto one single photo in the sort of collage style and then pop that into the album I'm creating. Now the reason for the album is, I say this every month, I'd like to reiterate, just because quite often when pictures are posted, you know, there's quite a lot of posts every day and they tend to get lost in you know, in amongst all the other posts, and come the end of the month it'll be really difficult to locate everybody's entries if they're not all grouped together, and that is why I create a folder to put your entries in. So please, if you could add them to the folder. There is a description on how to add your pictures to the challenge folder in the sort of announcement section. If you go to the top of the group, there's a little section there that explains to you how to do that. So pop your entry in there, and yeah, as I said already, the deadline is the 30th of June 2021, and as always, voting will not be done by me because I hate doing that. It will be done by members. And the top 5 pictures that have got the most likes will get an automatic spot on next month's group banner. So that's that. So when you pop your entries into the folder, just write a little bit about the materials you have used and why you created that particular piece, what inspired you. Is it a gift for someone special? Is it for yourself? Just write a little bit. It's always nice to see something about the creator. So that's that. It's going to be an exciting challenge, and as always, I'm super excited and looking forward to what everybody creates. So happy crafting.